Hello, my name is Alfredo and I am accounting student. For a long time, study accounting has been a dream for me, but over time, it became a real goal that I am now pursuing with determination. Despite having built my own business in a food and veterinary sector, I knew that having a strong foundation in accounting would allow me manage a finance more effectively, optimize resources, and ensure the sustainable growth of my business. By next year, I will have completed more than half of my degree. During this time, I will have developed more efficient accounting strategies and ensuring better cost control in increasing my business profitability. I will be implementing new tools which will facilitate decision making and the automation of accounting process. At the same time, I will be increasing my network of contact in the business and accounting fields, which will open new opportunities. By the time I finish my degree, I will have gained a deep understanding of auditing and taxation, which will allow me not only to optimize my company's accounting, but also to provide consulting service to the other entrepreneurs in the sector. As in progress, I will be facing new challenges, applying every lesson learned to my business and adapting to market needs. Without a doubt, in the coming years, I will have turned my dreams into a reality with a thriving business and professional education that will allow me to continue growing in the business world.